Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Monday to you. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend and everyone is getting ready and prepped for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is this week. It is Monday. It's a little chilly out, but it is, actually it was nice this morning. I went to the gym early and now it's a little chilly. So it got a little colder throughout the day. Hopefully some people will start joining me. I like to wait a few minutes until I know that I am live. So hopefully I am live. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you are watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. If you want to drop me a comment of any sort, please do. I love to hear what people have to say. Give me a thumbs up. The more comments I get, the more people that the algorithm kind of changes a little bit and more people will see me. So hello Claudia, hello Pam, hello everybody. Thank you very much. It is Monday and it is cocktail time. So let's see, today is our last day of our $9.99 takeout special, our barbecue chicken pizza. So today's the last day. Our new special will come out on Friday because Thanksgiving is on Thursday. And we do still have some meals available for Thursday. It's $35. It includes everything and it's all local. So it's turkey, gravy, stuffing, local corn, local broccoli, local potatoes. So everything on the plate is local. And let's see, we can do, if you're not into turkey, we can do salmon or brisket as well. It's $35 a person. It comes in one tin and it feeds one person. So hello Sean, hello Ellen. Thank you everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. Marcus and I are very thankful and grateful for all of the support that we always have gotten. 18 years of being here, and we are completely thankful for each and every guest that comes into the restaurant and supports us. So thank you, because many of you are our guests. If you haven't been here before, please come and join us. Interestingly enough, we had some people come up from Florida this summer that were here like almost every night for a week to have dinner with us. They found us they're from the area, they knew about us, they follow us, they watched us on Facebook all the time. And then they came and we got to meet them. So that's really fun and exciting for Marcus and I when we get to meet people that have heard about us, through whatever way that they've actually heard about us. So please share Roma Time with your friends. Please tag us in posts. If you tag us and take a picture and you put hashtag plant a tree, we will plant a tree for you. So tag us in a picture on Facebook, a picture that you've taken at Aroma Time or of Aroma Time, of one of our dishes or something like that. We want to tag you. If anybody ever has any feedback for Marcus and I, please let us know. We always enjoy feedback. We always want to make our guests happy. We never set out to make somebody upset. So any feedback whatsoever, if there's a dish you'd like to see, if there's a change you'd like to see, please send it to us, let us know, and we'll take it into consideration. Let's see, tonight we have our wine dinner. It is 4 wines and a dish for $29. We are open this evening. We're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Thanksgiving is Thursday, so hope everyone has an awesome Thanksgiving. I am around both Tuesday and Wednesday this week, so I'm sure that I will be live because I'll be ready for a cocktail in the afternoon. So here we go. I am going to make a Cranberry Mule today. So I'm going to start with my mule glass. I am going to add I changed it. I'm going to actually use Koval Cranberry Gin. So we just put this on our menu here at Aroma Time, but we're using vodka. If you'd like to use the Cranberry Gin, let us know. If you want to use bourbon, let us know. So Cranberry Gin from Koval, which is in Chicago. Marcus and I have been there before. So 2 ounces of Cranberry Gin. I'm going to just place in my glass. Couple of a couple of squirts of lime juice. We are going to add a little splash of cranberry juice. That comes on our gun, so you can't really see me pour that. And I'm going to top it off with the Q ginger beer. Yum, yum, yum. We're going to stir that up with a little bit of fresh cranberries. This would be a great drink actually for Thanksgiving. Cranberry season is here. So there you have it. You have a Cranberry Mule. So I'm going to go ahead and taste it. Ooh. That is good. You know what it tastes like to me? It tastes like a punch that you would use, like, we wouldn't use it, but you would use 7-Up and like sherbet, and the cranberry gin is amazing in here. Wow. Courtney, I bet you can't wait to taste this. That is delicious. I used Koval cranberry gin, ginger beer, lemon juice, fresh cranberries, and a little bit of fresh cranberry juice. If you don't have cranberry gin, you can just use regular gin, cranberry juice at home, lime juice, and some Q tonic. You can buy Q tonic, Q ginger beer. If you need some, we can sell that to you because it's not alcohol, so we can sell that to you. Oh, we have this awesome panettone. Let me just grab one so I can show it to you. So we have this awesome panettone with Prosecco. Marcus posted or talked this morning about the story, and then inside the panettone are is all the ingredients. Let's see, sourdough. It's made out of sourdough. It's an Italian bread. There was a love story that we included in our email today, how panettone started from a gentleman who was pursuing a lady in Italy from the bakery, and and he decided to go work there for free and was falling in love with her, and then ended up wanting to marry her. And yeah, so we have panettone. You can pick it up when you pick up your Thanksgiving dinner. You can come in and pick it up. It's $35. Awesome stuff. And you can order cheese from us for Thanksgiving. We have McGrath's Goliath cheese, or 8-ounce portions. You can get that for your cheese plate. Sopressata. We have our olive oil. We're still running the olive oil sale. It is organic olive oil for $25. Let's see. And we just put some groceries back out, so we have some groceries out now. So thank you everybody for watching me. I really, really appreciate it. Hello Sean, hello Shanti. I will catch everybody tomorrow. If there's any drinks that you want to see me make, please let me know, and I'd love to make it for you. And I will catch you tomorrow on Facebook. Have a fabulous night.